Hey there, savvy business owners. Are you tired of paying monthly fees for web hosting? Want to unlock the secret to unlimited hosting with just one payment? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm diving into BonoHost's lifetime deal. But before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab a special offer. So, what's the deal with BonoHost? They promise unlimited web hosting for life, all for a one-time fee. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's take a closer look. Picture this. You're a business owner looking to save some cash. You stumble upon BonoHost's amazing offer and think, one payment for unlimited hosting forever? Sign me up. You envision a vast digital empire with unlimited resources. But wait, let's add a dose of reality to this fantasy. As you start uploading content, you might notice something strange. Your website's speed begins to crawl, and suddenly you're hit with hidden fees. Oh, and did I mention the customer support that's about as helpful as a chocolate teapot? Yep, those dreams of unlimited hosting start to crumble. Now let's talk reviews. While some folks have had positive experiences with BonoHost, many have raised red flags. Slow website speeds, poor customer support, and the dreaded hidden fees. It's like buying an all-you-can-eat buffet, only to find out there's a time limit and a charge for drinks. And what about the lifetime part of the deal? Turns out, for some users, lifetime translates to a few short years. Imagine buying a lifetime supply of chocolate, only to have it confiscated after a couple of birthdays. Not cool, BonoHost, not cool. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some experts. They recommend exercising extreme caution with BonoHost. The potential risks, like data loss and service interruption, outweigh the benefits of that tempting one-time fee. Choosing a reliable hosting provider with transparent pricing and solid reputation is the way to go. So, what's the takeaway here? While BonoHost's lifetime deal might sound like a sweet bargain, it's essential to dig deeper. Remember, you get what you pay for. Investing in reliable hosting is crucial for the success of your business. Ready to make a smart choice for your web hosting needs? Click the link in the description below to explore trusted providers and grab a special offer. Don't fall for the illusion of unlimited. Choose reliability, transparency, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews and business tips. Until next time, happy hosting!